Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the maths class. So in this class we were doing exercise 3.1. In last class I sent the notes of exercise 3.1. Now I'm going to explain this. Okay, so this exercise is related to the word problems. First thing is there. Second thing, we have to convert this word problem into linear equations of two variables. As like the chapter's name is there is linear equation in two variables, so we have to convert this question word problem in linear equation of two variables. That means there will be two equations there, no? And that kind of questions you already done in previous classes, to convert the word problem into linear equations or word problem into the equation form. So firstly we have to convert this word problem into linear equation and have to check something, that the linear equation is intersecting each other or not. That means there is two linear equation, and if we plot this in graph paper, then we have to check this is intersecting each other, these are where or not. Second thing, it is parallel to each other or not, okay, or they were coincide each other. So there is three conditions. Okay, so we have to check which condition is satisfying there. So question number firstly we have to understand question completely. Okay, so question number first is, Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago. 7 years ago, Aftab tells his daughter what tells to his daughter. I was 7 times as old as you were then. Okay, I was 7 times. That means he was 7 times as old you were then. That means she is that time how much age, and Aftab is 7 times of its. Okay, now also 3 years from now. That means you have to understand that there is second condition. Okay, and second condition is 3 years from now. 3 years from now, that means there, no, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this intersecting? That means we have to check these two linear equations have two parallel lines or intersecting line or coincide line. So we have to check this linear equation is intersecting each other. Intersecting, that means they will cut each other at some point or not. First thing we have to check this. And second thing, represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, so first of all we have to convert this equation algebraically. That means we have to convert this equation word problem into linear equation. So let's start with the solution. So first of all we have to assume the age of both of them, no? First, age of Aftab and age of his daughters present age, because we did not know the present age of their. So we have to assume first that the present age of Aftab is x and present age of his daughter is y. Okay, we are taking two different kind of variables there because they both of the variable represent different thing. That's why we taken x and y. You can take a b, x1 x2 y1 y2 yz, anything you can take by your own mind. Okay, now see, first condition is there 7 year ago, because first condition is there, na, 7 year ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. We have to represent this thing into linear form. So 7 years ago, first thing, 7 year ago means 7 years ago means 7 साल पहले. Okay, so if I told you what was your age 7 years ago, that means how much age, if you have to find that how much age you have 7 years ago, that means you have to subtract 7 from your present age. Okay, suppose you have your present age is 15, then I told you that how much age you are in before 7 years ago. That means you have to subtract 7 from 15, that means 8. That means you can say that 7 years ago my age is 8 years. Okay, that thing we are doing there also. So 7 years ago Aftab's age is x minus 7 and his daughter age is x y minus 7, because both of them have age x and y, so we are subtracting 7 from both of them. Okay, this thing complete, first thing. Now because we have to do calculation on 7 years ago, that's why we taken 7 years ago's age. Okay, now according to the question, what is the question saying there? I was 7 times old as you were then. Okay, so he was 7 times, that means who was 7 times? आफ्ताब. तो आफ्ताब का 7 साल पहले एज क्या था? x माइनस 7. x माइनस 7 इक्वल टू, सी, आफ्ताब्स एज इज इक्वल टू 7 टाइम्स ऑफ हिज डॉटर, दैट मीन x माइनस वाई equal to 7y minus 7, because we taken 7 times of his daughter's age is equal to his current age, Aftab's. I am explaining this regards on Aftab. So x minus 7, which is equal to 7 times of y minus 7, because we have to find the ages on before 7 years ago. Okay, now this is the condition. First we have done x minus 7 equal to 7 y minus 7. Now you have to solve this. So we have 7 there, so we have to take multiply between y and 7 and 7 and minus 7. So I done there 7 into y, that means 7y, and 7 into minus 7, that means minus 49. Okay, now you have to transpose a variable term one side and non-variable term one side, and you will get this x minus 7y equal to minus 42. Okay, now first condition is complete, so take it as equation number first, or you can find the value of x from there. X equal to minus 42 माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, ये माइनस 7y इधर आके, तो प्लस 7y. यू कैन टेक as like also. Okay, now second condition of these questions. Okay, also 3 years from now, that means from now means his current age, and 3 years after your current age, if I told you, then you have to add 3 in your age. Similarly, 3 added there in age of Aftab and 3 added in age of his daughter. Okay, so x and y is the current age and 3 is added because we have to find the after age after 3 years age. Okay, so after 3 years age will be x plus 3 and y plus 3. Now second condition will be x plus 3 equal to 3 times of y plus 3, because there is the I shall be 3 times as old as you will be there. Now this is the given condition, so we are doing as the given condition x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 3. First condition is this and second one is this. Now this condition situating in the form of before age, and this condition is situating on after age. Okay, now solve this equation and you will find the value of x minus 3y equal to 6, that means second equation. There is the bracket 3y plus 3, so if you open the bracket you have to multiply firstly 3 with y and 3 with 3, then you will get this line. Now you can solve it and have easily find x minus 3y equal to 6. Okay, now so we got two equations there, first one is this and second one is this. Okay, so we have to plot these equations into graphical form. So there is the represent this situation algebraically. First part of the question is complete. These two solutions are this. No, so there is, therefore the algebraic representation is this and this. Okay, you can write there. So first question is complete, first part of the question is complete. Now second part is there, so we have to put these questions in graph paper. So how can we put these things into a graph paper? I will explain further part. Okay, now we have two equations. Okay, and we have to find the values of the equation by putting your own number by one of one variable, and have to find the value of second variable. So there is one solution table which is there. So I am going to explain as like this. There is first value of y is supposing 5, 6 and 7 in first equation. That means x minus 7y equal to minus 42, which we find it by the before age situations algebraic expression. Okay, so this is x minus 7y equal to minus 42 is first algebraic expression, and we have to find the value of x and y from there. So it is impossible to find by the only one equation, so we have to take arbitrary choose of any one variables. So there is x and y. Okay, so value of x and y is both are relating each other, both are related to each other, and both are satisfying each other's condition. Okay, so यहाँ पर आपको x और y का जो वैल्यू है आपको अपने मन से चूज करना है और आपको ऐसे टेबल्स बनाने हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन हाउ दे आर टेकिंग 5, 6, 7 of the value of x, and how can they find the value of they choosing the value of y equal to 5, 6 and 7, and find out the value of y minus 7, 0 and 7. Okay, so let's see carefully. There is the first equation x minus 7y equal to 42, and I am putting there first time y equal to 5. So if you are putting y equal to 5, then there will be x minus 7 into 5, which is equal to minus 42. Okay, minus 42 is there. Now x equal to 7 5s are 35, that means minus 35 is there. Now value of x equal to minus 42 also is there. Now what we have to find the value of x so value of x equal to minus 42 plus 35, because 35 is the non variable term, so we transpose it into left hand side to right hand side. Then there will be value of x is what we find it, minus 42 plus 35 equal to minus 32 plus 5 plus minus 42 plus 35 equal to x equal to minus 7, because 42 is the negative integer and it is greater one, that's why we taken negative term there. So value of x we taken 5. Okay, then what we find it, the value of x is minus 7. Similarly you can put the value of y 6, and you can find the value of value of y 6, and then you will find the value of x. And similarly in third condition, if you put the value of y 7, then you will get the value of x 7. Okay, so you have one question is in your mind, that why we are taking value of x, y 5, 6 and 7. So listen carefully, you can take any kind of value of your own choice there. Okay, you can take 1 there, 2 there, 5 there. No need to take consecutive numbers. Now there is 5, 6, 7, that means no need to we have to take consecutive number. You can take 1, 9, 5, you can take anything, but we have to take at least 3 numbers and have to find the 3 different solution of x and y. So similarly we done this in second equation. That mean we find out the solution solution of the solution equation of by the given condition, second given condition. So second condition is x minus 3y equal to 6, that one. So for this equation and for this one and for this one, we have to create a solution table. Okay, as like this, we have to create the solution table by like this, and have to plot these things into diagram, graph papers diagram. So plotting the diagram we will understand in the next class, but your homework is, listen carefully, your homework is you have to make this kind of solution table by your own choice number. That means you have to take value of y or value of x and have to find the value of y or x. That means you have to take one variable by your own choice and have to find the value of second variable by the using given solution, given equation. Okay, in both the condition you have to find the 3 table for this and 3 table for this. And from in next class I will explain how can we plot the this solution table or solutions of these equations in graph paper. Okay, that much for today. Thank you, and do your homework properly, and if you face any difficulty then get back to me and try. Must you everyone must try that and find different tables. Okay, if you easily understand how can we find the solution table, how can we create solution table, you will easily plot the graph. Okay, in graph representation there is no issue, no problem. Only you have some difficulties in this kind of thing, that means in the making solution table you can face some difficulties. That's why I am giving 3 different solution tables for both the uh, linear equations you have to find. Okay, so do by your own, and every students have different solution table there must be. Okay, so do your homework properly. Thank you.